Good morning to you all. So a bit of a change of plan this morning. We've come down to Easy Lawn. Now I actually forgot that there's an open day this morning at Easy Lawn for the FIBO machine. And they've put all the new fencing up. Basically it's an open day to show everyone what the machine capabilities are, all the different kind of mixes, how to actually use the machine. So obviously when we turn up, we can use the machine ourselves. So we click on this screen, click to order your concrete, go through all the buttons. They've put all the fencing in for the ramps. Obviously, back when you saw it on the last video, none of this was here. So that obviously comes down. And yeah, overall, just an exciting day for Easy Lawn themselves, and then obviously for me coming down. I've got my new hat on, which I've just won. So yeah, we're just seeing how it all works. Right, so we're gonna put some concrete in this tub now, but I'm gonna use the screen and use the credit card. Obviously, I know you've seen this before, but I'm gonna use this on Monday. We're gonna put 72-hour retardant in it, but I just want to show you exactly what it's gonna be like when we come in without Simo doing it over on the screen. Like, we can just come in, press our mix, bring this down to the tub, and then get the tub into the van. So yeah,
sound. We'll set the.
I'm here with Alex.
Oh, are we still running?
Yeah, we're still running.
Right, guys. So let's get the tub set up first, then. So we've got these polythene liners. So these are really important. One, because they're going to keep the tub clean, but also you've got to wrap. We're going to wrap the mortar so that it holds the moisture a little bit better in transport. So give us a hand with this one. Should. To hold it in.
So yeah, that's all ready now. Right. So these bits get filled in. How does it know if, so you put sand in there and then you put stone in there as well?
Put your stone on them two.
Right.
Sand's in, no, stone's in there, you can see it.
Yeah.
Sand on this side.
So how does it know between the different sands, the different stone?
When you program it, you just tell the machine what you've put in. So there's settings in there, you say, right, there's 4 bins.
Yeah.
So bin 1, bin 2, bin 3, bin 4. You tell the machine, right, we've got 20 mil in bin 3, 10 mil in bin 4, we've got a soft sand and a sharp sand in bin 1 and 2. Then it knows then, it's got the belts underneath.
Right.
3 weight cells underneath the pan mixer.
Yeah.
So whatever you order on the screen, it knows what's in every cubic metre for each strength classification. If you order 0.3, it just works out just as a quick calculation on how much sand and gravel you need for 0.3. Weighs it straight into the pan. Mixing time's about 90 seconds. And then what you'll also get a lot of, especially with your mix today, is the retarders. So
that's where it all comes through them hoses.
You've got your retarders, your plasticizers, your air entrainers all get dosed in through flow meters, because obviously the weight cells won't pick up.
Is that what they are?
Yeah, these weight cells are for the heavy materials, but when we're talking about tiny little bits of retarder, we need to use a flow meter, which counts the litres as they're going in, or the millilitres. And then the bit, should we go for a full walk round?
Yeah, we may as well.
Probably the most important part of it.
Right, I've not been round here yet.
This is the cleaning area. So what happens here, we're going to look in the pan mixer shortly, but what happens is this gate opens here. Once someone's ordered a concrete, all the stones and all the washout get pushed out into the washout tank.
Right.
So we filter them, we take all the solids out in here, and then it goes through a recycling system into a holding tank. And then we've got 2 pumps on the end that we can reuse the recycled water into cleaning, so we're not spilling water all over the yard. And also for some of the concretes, we can reuse some of the washout water in them, because the washout water's got a little bit of cement in it. So it's good to reuse in some of the lower strength concretes. And
it's bloody clever, isn't it?
We don't use washout water in mortar or slab mix. We usually use the water tank.
So that's all connected to the mains?
Yeah. This is quite good for your video as well. Inside the sand bins, you'll see those little sticks going in there, moisture probes. So they measure the moisture in the sand. So if that sand's going wet from a wet bay, as the sand's going in, it's measuring how much moisture's in there, and it's then feeding it back to the computer system and reducing the water from the mix, so that the mix isn't affected by, you know, if there's been a load of rain overnight.
Yeah.
Clever stuff, isn't it?
Unbelievable.
This is your pan mixer.
So that's all the paddles.
All the paddles there. Kept nice and clean by the guys here at Easy Lawn. We get the paddles really sort of pressing against the bottom of the pan so that we can remove any big stones. You'll see there's no like 20 mil or 10 mil on the deck.
Super clean, isn't it?
So it does need to be like that in order to do, you know, uncontaminated mortars and things like that. These hoses on top of the pan, on top of the arms, have all got high pressure jet washes built in. So we're literally pumping, you know, between sort of 70 and up to 100 litres of water in to get the pan clean, and then reusing the water. So there you go. So your cement comes in a big bulk bag, in a big tanker. So we basically plug it in.
Do powder in there?
Yeah, just all the cement powder. Gets blown in. And it's really good quality cement as well, you know. It's not like some of the crap you can buy. So it'll be good for your customers. You get really strong, good high strength classification out of it. Yeah, well, we've used it so far, and it's been really good. Yeah. Simo, I'm just thinking on the recipes. Yes. If we change some of the mix names, because when you go ordering on,
you don't say you can't see the 24 hours.
You can't see that. So what I'm thinking is, if we'd been off on like flag mix there, I've just put flag mix 4 to 1, 24 hours. So I've binned off the.
It doesn't say the Benny Mortar.
Yeah, we could just say flag mix, couldn't we?
Yeah.
That'd be better, wouldn't it?
Because you can't see it on the ticket as well when you get barcode. You can't see it.
Right.
Is my one on there still? Will it be on there?
Probably not.
Probably not.
What did you do?
I've had a few now. Everyone's been different, hasn't it? We've not like found a happy medium yet. But I think it needs, whatever we had last time needs more Feb. Just from the travel.
Right.
So just put them on like that, yeah? Flag mix 4 to 1, 24.
So yeah, so you can see it.
Yeah, let's do that. We can dose a bit of extra plasticizer into this one.
Yeah.
We can just manually, we can just do that.
Because like I say, it was really good when it went into the tub. As soon as it came to site, it had gone, like it's I don't know, it like lost. It had lost, yeah.
And then
and by the end, it's tough to get. It's quite tough to get out.
If you take it out of the tub, you start one side, go right down to the bottom.
And work my way. Yeah.
People have been taking it out because all the aggregate sinks to the bottom, the water comes to the top.
Yeah. So do half.
To the top, and then they get to the bottom and it's dry.
Well, that's what everyone would do, wouldn't they?
If you use it, go right down to the bottom from one side, and then work your way across.
Yeah.
And as you're getting it down, the dry stuff will be mixing with the stuff on top.
Right.
Sort of thing. It's just.
So like do one half, take that bit.
Yeah.
And then
Just work your way along that.
Yeah. It's so much easier though.
Oh, yeah.
Like it's just not cleaning up at the end of the day.
Yeah.
It's already done.
Yeah.
You know? And even if it does go off like when we bought that tub back, it was fine.
You've got to tip your water somewhere.
I know.
You don't wear it tip it. You don't really fucking street and all that.
Clean it, I know, cleaning the mix, jet washes out because you spilt it all over the road, or you spilt.
There's none of that.
The benefits, it's unbelievable. I won't go back now.
No.
There'd be people out there, like the old boys. No, we'll stick to what we know.
Yeah.
Why would you not want to make it easier?
They do though, but then there was one guy right in Huddersfield who went, when we put the machine in, he went, we're not doing that. You know, he was like dead against it. Yeah. And then he still uses it now. 2 years later, he's on all over it. Like I go and see him, I'm like, oh yeah, it's a shit idea that, wasn't it? It doesn't need to be. It just needs to say flag mix soft 4 to 1. Take the soft flag mix, because then it's got more water in, so it won't evaporate over the weekend.
No.
Dan said.
Well, I like a softer mix anyway for the porcelain.
Yeah,
it's more forgiving.
So that one, number 55, will be your boy, I think.
55.
So that's got you see the components here. So it's got sharp sand cement. It's got the building sand. It's got a bit of building sand in. Those kilograms are based on a cubic metre.
Yeah.
So that's how we program the machine.
Yeah.
So it's going to do 873 kgs of sharp. Then step 2, it's going to dose 271 kilograms of building sand. Then we've got step 3, the cement, of course. Then we're going to mix it for 30 seconds. Then step 5, we're going to put in the water, the air entrainers, and the retarders. So it's got 5 litres of retarder to get it till Monday. And then we'll set the mixer speed, and then it'll mix for 150 seconds. And then you'll be good to go.
150 seconds.
Yeah. Well, some because it's already been mixing as well while we're dosing. So technically, we should have everything done in 3 to 4 minutes usually for one tub. So it's pretty quick.
It is
quicker than bloody. I used to mix it myself.
Right then. Got my credit card ready. So
look at that, ready with the card.
Ready with a card. I know which mix I'm going to get. Obviously my tub is already in place. So, click here to order your concrete. Yeah, position, vehicle's positioned.
Oh, you might want to lower that
conveyor.
Yeah.
So if I press the button down, as you can see, that goes down nicely. So now, conveyor's being lowered, so confirm that. Okay, so credit card now?
Yeah.
Where do we put that?
Press.
Right, so we go down, and I've been told that our flag mix is number 55. Sharp sand, building sand, general purpose for flags. And then that box is 250 litres. We'll confirm that. Please confirm your order. Just check that's all right. Yeah. £61. So it comes up on here. Put the card on. Hopefully it goes through. Approved. Right, and now your order's been prepared. It's being mixed.
So I'll explain what's going on with the mixer. We won't go too close because of the safety, but we've got the conveyor belts pushing the sand, the building sand and the aggregates in, weighing them off on the weight cells. We can actually have a little look behind the scenes at the software that powers it all. We can actually see the measurements as it's going in. So you'll see the counter. So we're aiming for 75 kilograms of cement there, and we've got 74.67, so we're off by 0.4%, which is great. So everything's set to a tolerance. If for some reason anything wasn't within the tolerance, we would flag an error to the customer and get a member of staff. That's to make sure the mix is bang on every time.
So now obviously it comes up this belt, comes all the way down the belt and into the tub.
So let's have a look where we're up
to. That's a lot.
We've got a countdown on here. 98 seconds to go.
So it doesn't take long at all. Really, it's just so quick. I mean, this the whole point is to come in, get your mix, get done, get it in a van and get to site, you know. You're not holding anybody up. It's nice and easy. It's starting to come out. Oh, we're in. Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
A belting mixer.
Isn't it nice? Yeah. Just with him having it till Monday, I thought it'd be a bit better.
I love it. can't get enough of it.
That's your calculator.
Right.
So that's got the bed depth on it.
Yeah.
So on a 40mm depth, the slab size, and how many you can do with a 1/4 metre, which is a tub. So
nice.
That's pretty good. And then on the back of it,
handy to know.
That's the analysis of the material cost. So there's £85 worth of raw materials, potentially, 2 hours mixing, setting up, which got a labour cost to it.
Yeah.
So, we're saving, what did we pay, 61 quid was it, with the VAT?
Yeah.
So we are saving money and time.
So yeah, we'll just wrap this in now, and it just keeps all the moisture inside, because obviously it's going to be sat in the van.
Then put that wood out of the way.
Yeah, and then I'll put it in there.
I see, then you can give it a push. That wood plank on me.
It's a 250 that.
250, the small one.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.